I'm now with Professor Piyush Sharma, the head of the department at Computer Science and Engineering at Arya Group of Institutions. Professor Sharma, what is the focus of Computer Science and Engineering department at Arya?
So basically, we focus on the student capability. We prepare them to ready an industry come. So when they complete their degrees, they directly go to the different companies and directly ready to work on the different kind of projects. For such trainings, we have a different kind of collaboration with different industries like we have a Cisco training center, we have Microsoft IT Academy Center, we also typed with Oracle, we have Oracle training center also we have. So during third year and final year, we provide different kind of trainings in different kind of technologies like .NET, that like networking, CCNA, because in curriculum they just go through only with theoretical knowledge, not in deep knowledge of practical. So for deep knowledge of practical, we implement various kind of technologies in such kind of workshop and training program. So they just ready to directly work on different kind of projects when they go outside the college and work in some different kind of companies. So
how do you find time from the rigorous academic schedule, which is the general complaint at all the colleges, like
Sir, basically time is not an issue because everybody have a 24 hours. So we just calculate in a systematic manner कि in every week we just find 2 or 4 hours for each lab. For suppose for every section or every year we provide 2 hours per week in the regular classes time. And if a student want to learn more and practice more in programming, they come after the college hours. Labs are already open till at evening and they can work and practice their programming language. But basically our training program is already going through in the college hours time.
Okay. So how are you able to integrate the regular academic curriculum with these add-on industry grade courses or trainings?
Yeah, definitely. As per RTU curriculum, we have to provide a student a 45 days training after 3 years.
Okay.
After third year. So we decide ki okay, we provide students go different companies after the third year, but at the time of third year when they are in 5th sem and 6th sem, we just admit in the go through training in the campus like .NET training, PHP training. First they learn the basics of the different technologies and programming languages. After they are able to learn all the things, they just go different trainings, different companies like TCS, Infosys, and they implement their knowledge, what is the theoretical knowledge, to their different live projects also.
What has been the direct correlation between these training programs and the placements at Arya?
Sir, these programs are directly benefited to students, like they also get technical knowledge for different technical aspects when campus drives are going on. So they can be able to tell what is going on in the industries, what they can implement. Nowadays, different kind of applications are developing, so they can develop any kind of application, working application. They can work on live projects. So definitely, they directly benefit from this kind of trainings.
So there seems to be a very important focus on industry grade training programs right from third year itself. Arya has got almost all the training, add-on training programs on board, and they are finding time and they are synergizing it with the existing curriculum. It probably shows that where there is a will, there is a way, and that's where Arya is leading the way. We move on to the next wheel of innovation at Arya, so stay tuned.